IBM offers free online courses in data science. Here are 5 free courses you don't want to miss. 1. Python Basics for Data Science. This course is a great entry point to Python for data science. 2. Data Analytics Basics for Everyone. The course will take you through the process and life cycle of data analytics, and the next steps regarding learning paths and opportunities. 3. SQL for Data Science. This course provides the foundation you need to be a SQL wizard and a strong data scientist. 4. R Programming Basics for Data Science. R is a common programming language for data science analytics, and having it on your resume will give you a competitive advantage. 5. AI for Everyone. Master the basics. Learn what artificial intelligence, AI, is by understanding its applications and key concepts including machine learning, deep learning and neural networks. Happy learning! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.